Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Mutadillah. I will do presentation and thesis studi korelasi reading habit and reading achievement. In the current digital era, student reading habit often decline due to distract like social media and gadgets. However, reading is crucial foundation for academic achievement, especially at the high school level. At SMAN 1 Rogo Jambi, a grade 11 student frequently face difficulties in reading comprehension in impact their grade in language subject and overall performance. Based on theory, a good reading habit can enhance cognitive processing. As example by Parteti, user reading motivation also apply a rule according to Wang and Guthrie. Therefore, this research is important to relevant this relationship and promote a lecture culture. Problem formulation 1. Is there a significant correlation between reading habit, frequency, and duration, and a reading achievement of grade 11 student at SMAN 1 Rogo Jambi? Research objective. The objective of the research is to analyze the relationship between reading habit as the independent variable and reading achievement as the dependent variable. Specifically, we aim to determine the contribution of frequency and duration to the four aspects of reading achievement. The rules are effective to provide empirical data for education intervention. Research benefit. The benefit of the research include three aspects. First, theoretical. In the enriched insight into reading cognitive process theory, perfecti, and motivation. Wang and Guthrie. Second, artificial for school like SMAN 1 Rogo Jambi, the result can be used for reading habit, improve program such as literative club. 3. Social in it prompts a reading cultural is social, helping students becomes more competent in the informatical era. Literature review. Palani found that consistent reading habit positively correlation with academic performance in secondary school. Katri and Ruth highlight how frequency and duration of reading influence comprehension skill. Perpetti emphasizes cognitive process like decoding and reading. Wang and Kongrai showed that motivates reading achieve higher score. Liu et al. Discussed digital reading behaviors in modern context. Nadib and Rohmatika like self-regulate learning to better reading outcomes. However, there is a gap in study focus of grade 11 study in specific Indonesia school like SMAN 1 Rogo Jambi, which this research aim to fill. Theory for works of this research is based on several valid references I used. First, The Reading Habit Theory by Palani and Chatri and Roth explain that rote reading from positive behavioral pattern. Second, Parteti cognitive process theory emphasizes decoding and comprehending in reading. Treat and Wang reading motivation theory Treat Wang and Crick reading motivation theory show that intrinsic motivation in stress adjustment. For Liu et al., digital reading behavior knowledge the role digital media modern habit. Fit and Nadib and Romhatika self-regular learning highlight how regulating students are more effective in reading. All are interconnective reading habit influence cognitive and motivation multimodal boosting achievement. Hypothesis. The hypothesis of the research is a null hypothesis. There is no significant correlation between reading habit frequency and duration. A reading assessment of grade 11 study. And alternative hypothesis, there is a significant correlation between them. This hypothesis will be tested using person correlation analysis with a significant level 0.05. Rhesus variable. The independent variable X is reading habit, consisting of frequency, how many times students read per week, and duration, how long per reading session. The dependent variable Y is Rhesus indicator for X frequency measured with a Likert scale 1 or 5 times per week, and duration with time cell a minute or per session. For Y, achievement measured through a reading comprehension test with scores for each aspect a literal, inferential age. Research method quantitative. This is a research method in quantitative correlation as it focuses on the relationship between variables without manipulation. Number 2, the population is grade 11 student at SMAN 1 Rogo Jambi with a sample of about 311 students using perfect sampling. Conclusion: this research will relevant the correlation between reading habit and achievement on solid theory. Thank you for your attention. Thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.